Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn job search settings with Indeed Alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right hand corner. Scroll down to the Jobs section on your home page. Click on the Jobs tab located at the top of the page. Select Job Alerts from the drop-down menu on the left side. You will see the option to manage your job alerts. Click on the Create Job Alert button. Enter the job title, keywords, or company you're interested in. Specify your preferred location for job opportunities. Set your desired job type, such as full-time, part-time, or contract. Review the notification frequency options, including daily or weekly alerts. Now, to connect with Indeed, open a new tab in your browser. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account. Search for the job title or keywords similar to what you entered in LinkedIn. Once your search results load, click on the Email Me Jobs like this option. Fill out the necessary details to set up your job alerts on Indeed. Specify how often you want to receive email notifications. Confirm your subscription to Indeed Job Alerts. Return to your LinkedIn tab. Ensure your job alert settings are saved. You're now set to receive notifications from both LinkedIn and Indeed. Check your email periodically to stay updated on new job opportunities. Adjust your settings anytime for better job search results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.